Hi everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Immerse Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make pear jam recipe, so I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video. So in making this pear jam recipe, all we need is just 2 kilograms of our pears. So I've already washed the pears and I'm peeling off the skin, and that's what I'm going to be doing. And for the sake of this video not to be too long, I'm going to be peeling off the other pears off the camera so that the video will be a bit short. I don't want it long, so you can chop it to your size, because I chopped mine just the way I like. Like I said, sometimes I play over all those things. I just be doing it the way I like, because it's not something you must do it particularly one particular size, or just your choice, optional. So I'm removing the seeds, the little seed inside. So I'm not doing it both with the seed, no, I'm removing the seeds. So right now I'm chopping it to the size that I want. So you can chop yours in your own size. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. So I'm chopping it the way I like. You can see as I'm doing it, just it's not a must you must do it particularly this way or that way, just your choice, the way you like it. So what's important is going to inside the pot. So right now I'm done chopping off the other ones. You can see I've sliced them to the sizes that I want, and I'm still slicing the last one. This is the last one. So then the next thing we are going to do when we are done slicing it, like I said, we just need few ingredients in making this. So I'm going to transfer it into the pot I am going to use in preparing my jam. Here is the pot, and here is the 2 kilograms of the pears. So, and the next thing we are going to need for this recipe is sugar. That is 500 grams of our sugar. We'll talk about this later in this video, but before then I would like to say, if you are seeing me for the first time, you are coming here for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. You can see the red button there that says subscribe. Click on the red button. At the same time, remember to click the bell so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. So that's the essence of clicking the bell. I upload videos every week. So back to our video. As you can see, I'm done pouring, adding the sugar, and I'm stirring it. I just feel like you can leave it if you like. It's optional, it's not a must. What is important is that the heat, the secret of this is that I do it in a low heat. So the heat is not high, it's just in a low medium. Is a medium, not even low. Is a medium size. It's not high, it's not too low. So I'm going to leave it like this, and it will be cooking on its own. The sugar will even help it to dissolve, and I added some amount of salt because I want the salt to stabilize the sugar a bit. Because already I know you might be wondering why I use 500 grams of sugar in 2 kilograms of pears. Yes, because already pears itself has a sweet taste, so no need of more sugar. I added this 500 sugar just because it has its own taste already. It's sweet already, so for the sake of the jam, that's why we are adding the sugar. So now it has removed some of the juice. The sugar has already dissolved as well. So we are going to be cooking it so that the fruit itself will be cooked. So that is the essence. And I'm stirring it. If you like, you stir yours. If you don't like, you leave it. It's not a must. It's something I normally do mine without stirring. I just leave it. After a while I come and stir a bit, not continuous, but this one I just chose to do it continuously, you know, just be seeing how it will look like. And then here is I will be cooking it till the fruit will get done, as in get cooked. Then you can see the juice is coming out little by little. It's cooking, and in that way our jam will be so yummy. You will love it anyway. Just give it a try. I don't know if you have tried it before, but try it and thank me later. So right now I've cooked it. You can see it has already cooked, but because of the way I chopped it, it is one. You are seeing the fruit itself. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is to whisk it a bit, because I don't want it to be completely puree like I used to make, because I made other videos. Here you can see my other jam recipes where I do whisk it very well so that all of them will be puree. But in this case I did not. What I did was just to whisk a bit. I want to feel that little, you know, that fruit that is warm. I want to feel it. That is the essence. So I don't know if you like this recipe, but I tell you, you will love it if you try it. But the look, as in the fruit, you are seeing one, like not chopped very well. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. If you like it this way, or you like it completely pureed. So I said, let me give it another try and do another kind of, you know, jam recipe. I always do mine in form of to be pureed throughout, but I said, let me try different thing and see how it looked. It was nice. Look at it. It was so fantastic. You will love it if you try it. Just give it a try. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to let me know below the comment section. Let me know what you think about this style that I made. You can see you are feeling you are even seeing the fruit itself. I just pureed some, not all of them, you can see. So let me know what you think about this. If you like it like this, or you like it totally pureed, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you. So, and thank you for staying to the end of this video. I really do appreciate your comment, and see you on my next video. Bye.